Working in Python and Visual Studio Code is simple, fun, and productive. The extension that makes VS Code an excellent editor has some new updates for you this month. Shift-Enter gets you farther and faster with your Python code. Enable in your settings.json and Python experiments. It will soon be rolled out to the general audience. And I can navigate to my Wordle dupe app and press Shift-Enter to evaluate the nearest block of code, like I have on line 13, 17, line 22, and so on, with my cursor automatically jumping to the next statement. You could already highlight your code and have it automatically evaluate to your Python REPL in your terminal with Smart Selection, but now Shift-Enter does more. Linting and formatting are removed from the Python extension as of this iteration. I like to use the Python default profile, which includes a few default extensions. You can find any of the latest and greatest extensions by going to the activity bar on the left and click the extension view icon, or by typing Ctrl-Shift-X and searching for the extension you need. I recommend starting with Black, Ruff, a community contributed extension, or Pylint. Ruff's extension also includes the latest available in Ruff's new formatting features. Testing output from running your test can now be found in the test results panel within the workbench. The testing discovery output is now located in the Python output channel. This modification is more intuitive than the previous experience that put both output generation and test discovery in Python test logs under the output tab of the workbench. You've just seen me configure my test settings through VS Code with the default settings in PyTest. And now my test panel to the left has discovered all 3 tests. I'm running my test within the play button, and now the test results panel automatically opens. This does the same thing as running PyTest from my terminal. Going to the output channel, here I'm showing the output of my test discovery. For more updates on Python and Visual Studio Code, check out the Python dev blog or join us on Discord. Happy coding!